Hello students, let us continue chapter 11 Algebra. In the previous class, we discussed a few questions of exercise 11.5. Let us now continue exercise 11.5, question number 3. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. A 5m is equal to 60. Here the values given are 10, 5, 12 and 15. So इस question में what do you have to do? Here you need to pick out the solution from the values that are given in the bracket. So as I told you, here we are given 4 values and we need to find the solution. We already know the meaning of solution of an equation. Such a value of the variable that satisfies the equation. That is, when we substitute that value of the variable in the equation, then we get the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So such a value is called a solution. So here we will try putting all these values one by one into the equation. Here the first equation is 5m is equal to 60. That is 5 multiplied by m is equal to 60. So here firstly the value given to us is 10. So when we put m is equal to 10 in the equation, we will get 5 multiplied by 10. Now this is equal to 50, which is not 60. So since we are not getting LHS is equal to RHS, that is left hand side is 50 but right hand side is 60. So these two are not equal. Therefore m is equal to 10 is not a solution of the equation. Next you have m is equal to 5. So when m is equal to 5, then 5m is equal to 60. It becomes 5 multiplied by 5. 5m हो जाएगा 5 multiplied by m और m की वैल्यू क्या ली है यहाँ पर m is equal to 5. But we know that 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. It is not equal to 60. So once again, for the very same reason, since LHS is not equal to RHS, m is equal to 5 is not a solution. It does not satisfy the equation. Next, m is equal to 12. The next value is 12. Here, when we put m is equal to 12 in 5m, that is 5 multiplied by m, we get 5 multiplied by 12, and we know that 12 5s are 60, which is equal to right hand side, that is RHS. So here we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the equation is satisfied. That is, for m is equal to 12, the equation is satisfied. That is, m is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation 5m is equal to 60. Lastly, we are given one more value, that is m is equal to 15. Here, when we substitute m is equal to 15 in 5m, we get 15 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 75. Once again, this is not equal to 60. LHS is not equal to RHS because LHS में क्या है यहाँ पर 75 है, RHS में तो 60 है. It is given over here. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, the equation is not satisfied. So m is equal to 15 do not satisfy the equation. Next, in the B part, we are given n plus 12 is equal to 20. Here, we are given the equation n plus 12 is equal to 20. So, already we know the right hand side Here we need the number 20 in the right hand side, and here we are given 4 digits as well. So here first of all we take n is equal to 12. So when we take n is equal to 12, we get 12 plus 12, क्योंकि यहाँ पर n plus 12 है. So this will be equal to 24, which is not equal to 20. So here also the LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, the value is 8. Here n plus 12 will become 8 plus 12, which is equal to 20. And this is equal to right hand side. This is given to us. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the equation is satisfied. So here n is equal to 8 is the solution of this equation. The next number given to us is 20. So when we take n is equal to 20 and when we substitute the value, then we can clearly say that 20 plus 12, it is equal to 32. It is not equal to 20. So here also the equation is not satisfied. We are asked to show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. That is the reason why we are substituting each value in the equation to show that why it is not a solution, why it does not satisfy the equation. So in the B part, one value is left out, 0. So जब n is equal to 0 लेंगे, so this will become 0 plus 12. We know that 0 added to anything, we get the same number. So this is equal to 12 itself. So here the RHS is 20, but we are getting 12, which is not equal to 20. Therefore, n is equal to 0 is not a solution because it does not satisfy the equation. In the next part, you are given p minus 5 is equal to 5. So here you are given 4 different values, which is similar to question number A and question number B. You need to simply take p is equal to 0 firstly, और यहाँ पे p minus 5 है तो ये हो जाएगा 0 minus 5, which is equal to minus 5. Here on the right hand side it is equal to 5, बट यहाँ पे -5 आ रहा है जो 5 के इक्वल नहीं है. सो फॉर p इज इक्वल टू 0 द इक्वेशन इज नॉट satisfied. Nextly, you are given p is equal to 10. So when you take p is equal to 10, p minus 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 10 minus 5. This is equal to 5. So here this is the RHS which is given in the question. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equal to 10 is a solution of the equation. In the similar manner, you are given 2 more values जिसके लिए आपको P के बदले ये वैल्यू पुट करके चेक करना है कि क्या ये सॉल्यूशन है, क्या ये इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है या नहीं करता है. सो दीज 2 पार्ट्स व्हेन यू नीड टू पुट 5 and minus 5, these two are homework for you. You need to solve these two on your own. Next, you are given q divided by 2. Here the operation is divided, which is equal to 7, and we are given few values which are 7, 2, 10 and 14. So here when we take q is equal to 7, so this will become, क्योंकि q divided by 2 है, q हम लोग 7 ले रहे हैं, so it will become 7 divided by 2 and this is not equal to 7. ठीक है, 7 divided by 2 we will get 3.5 and this is not equal to 7. Therefore, this value do not satisfy the equation. Next, you have the value 2. So when you take q is equal to 2, and when you substitute it in this equation instead of q, you get 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So this is once again not equal to 7. So in this case also the value do not satisfy the equation. Next you have the number 10. So when you take q is equal to 10, you will get 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5, which is not equal to 7. So ये वैल्यू भी इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता है. So this is also not a solution. The last value you are given is q is equal to 14. So when you take this and put it here in this equation, you get 14 divided by 2, which is equal to 7. So this is what the RHS in the question is. So here 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. The equation is satisfied. Therefore, q is equal to 14 is a solution of the equation. Just like we solved the first 4 parts, part E and part F should be solved in the similar manner. ये जो values आप लोग को दिए हुए हैं, you need to put them one by one in the equation and solve these two questions on your own and write the proper solution in your notebook.